Hopefully you guys can hear me. I wanted to show you some of the stuff that got done with the brakes. So here's obviously the new brake pedal on and off the cage. There'll be a brake sensor switch, so your brake lights. That's a 2-pound residual pressure, and then this is the brakes for the rear, as you can see. And there's a balance bar, or not a balance bar, a portioning valve right here, so I can portion off the brakes. This brake pedal also has, I don't know if you probably can't see it. It has like a bias bar, so you can bias the rear brakes basically back up in here. You probably can't quite see it, but yeah. So and then on top of that, you have, let's see if I can get up in here, 2 reservoir mounts. And these are Willwood master cylinders with remote reservoir mounts. I'll show you where we mounted the reservoirs. This is up here. You can see those just mount right there. I'm not a big fan of these reservoirs. You can see if I can get that with 2 hands. You can see the reservoirs are real floppy in here. I don't like how they mount out. That mounted up a little bit stiffer. We have brake lines coming through here, down right behind the frame. I'll probably put just a little bit of, I mean, it hugs the frame right here, so it's not actually that close to the header. And then that comes down. Let's see, okay. And that tees right here. There's a T right there. And that goes all the way across the other side along my cross member there. And actually, that cross member, there's a connection on both sides, so if I ever need to take that cross member off, I can just unbolt that center piece of hub. Brakes are grinding on the wheels, so I'm just going to take a little bit off the calipers here, like I did on the other side, but they're grinding, so just do a little grinding today. So there you have it, guys. The brakes are all done. I didn't get a ton of video when they were actually getting done. I wish I could. I had to stay home when it was at the shop getting done. So I posted a bunch of pictures on Instagram at DeGrootX. Make sure to follow that, and of the progress kind of when he was doing it. And I messed up on a couple videos, but that grinding was the caliper on one side just barely touching the wheel, so I want to get that ground down a little bit. So yeah, I'm probably going to be putting Willwood brakes all around actual calipers and rotors. It's another big chunk of change, so for now I'd like to spend that other money on getting the truck running and moving and wheeling, and then I can upgrade stuff. But for now, those brakes are going to work just fine for whatever I'm doing, and then I can upgrade when it comes time for racing and stuff like that. I want to get I really need to get a running truck so that I can keep up my feels on the truck. Right now I'm just kind of trying to plug away at little stuff. I still got to order a bunch of things for it. I'm still waiting on the wiring harness. Still waiting. It seems like that's taking forever. So hopefully should have that. Once I have that, then I can get batteries wired up. So things on the list up soon is a battery box with a couple batteries in it. Finish up that fuel system and get that squared away. Mount the helmet pumper. Mount radios. Get the dash kind of put together. Once I have the harness, I haven't wanted to put the dash all together because I know I'm going to be doing a bunch of wiring in there, so I don't want to get that all put together. So I need to wire up gauges and stuff into the dash, so it'll probably come out in and out about 40 times. So yeah, those gauges are a day away, so I'll probably order those up too as well. So, but thanks for watching. That's everything for today. I know it wasn't a ton, but I thought I'd update you all, and there is some progress now that we have brakes, and I'm stoked that you guys are all following. Subscribe, share as much as you can. I love doing these vlogs for you and showing you what the progress is and how it's coming along, and I can't wait to get out there and send it with all you cats out there and your Rangers and Tacomas and whatnot. So peace. Thanks for watching.